Good morning, children, all those who have joined now. Uh, See, 8th A, I have my regular class, and with 8th A, 8th B, it is an arrangement period, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, again, we have to keep a pace and balance with what we were doing. So 8th A will tell me where we finished in the previous class, and 8th B will also tell me that where did we finish in the previous class, right?
Ma'am, in 8th A, we have done question answer till question third of a long question answer, page number 68.
This is chapter 8 or 9?
Ma'am, chapter 9.
Chapter 9. Okay, fine. And what about 8th B?
Ma'am, we had done the reading part, the exercises are left.
Of 9th, okay, of 8th chapter or 9th chapter?
Ma'am, 9th.
9th. 8th chapter, we are over with everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
that's so good. So, we are over with the chapter and exercises are left in 8th B. And in 8th A, we are done with the exercises and question answers we were doing. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do, we'll do the exercises again. It will be a short recapitulation for 8th A, and 8th B will will be finding the answers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Fine. So a quick attendance, and then we start with the class. How many of you can see the bright sun in the morning right now?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, very good, Sanidhya. And what is the date today? Do you know?
Ma'am, 21.
21.
21 of December, right? 21st of December. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why is this date important? 21st of December is very important date. Do you know why is it important?
Ma'am, because Saturn and any other planet is going to
Yes, going to what?
ma'am,
Good morning,
they are going closer.
They are going close.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Saturn and Jupiter.
Okay.
Yes,
If I
ma'am.
say, right. If I say, what, Sanidhya?
Ma'am, it is the shortest day.
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning, Yash Raj Raghuvanshi. Beta, very good, Sanidhya. See, 21st of December, every year, it is the winter solstice, right? And winter solstice means shortest day and longest night. Whereas on 21st of June, it is vice versa. Longest day and shortest night. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
That's really very good if you know it. Fine. Let us have a quick attendance, right? Do we have Abhiraj in the class? No, we don't have him. Then Aditya Yadav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Aditya Rao.
Aditya Rao, sorry. Adnan is not there. Akhilesh is not there. Alek is not there. Anukriti Bedi is not there. Anushka Gupta is there in the class. Aryan Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Gupta. This is Aryan Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan Patel is not there. Aryan Bharadwaj is there. Ayush Bharadwaj, are you there?
Ma'am, I am there.
Ayush Bharadwaj is there. Sorry, Aryan. Okay, Bhavya Gupta is not. Bhavya Dixit is not there. Daksh is there in the class. Hiba is not there. Ilma, are you there? No. Jasmeet, no. Kavya Tripathi, no. Krishna Chitwani, no. Kumar Parth is there in the class.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then Kushagra Singh is there in the class. No. Kushagra Gautam is also not there. Maruf is not there. Agaz, Azhan, Shoaib Warsi, Ilm Noor, Om Patel, Priyanshi, Rehan Ali. Roma is there in the class? Roma, are you there? No, Roma is not there. Sahil Khan is not there. Sharad is there. Shreyansh, are you there? No. Then Siddhant also not there. Siddhi Mittal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Siddhi is there. Then Sumit Yadav, not there. Tanish Patel, not there. Tanishka is there. Usman, not there. Vaibhav, not there. Vansh Raj, not there. Vanshika, not there. Yash Raj Raghuvanshi is there.
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Yash Raj Raghuvanshi is present. I have marked you present, beta. Coming to 8th B.
Ma'am, have you taken attendance of 8B?
Yes, I am taking attendance, beta.
M of 8B you have taken?
No, I am taking, beta. Akshar is not there. Avinath will be joining. Abhinav is not there. Aditya Kumar. 8th B, Aditya Kumar is there? No. Then Ankur, Anokhi, Ursula is there? Is Ursula there? No. Ayush Pratap, no. Arya Upadhyay, Aryan Bharadwaj is there? Ayush Yadav? Ursula is there, yes ma'am. बेटा तो आप बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो माइक पे? ठीक है, आशीष यादव नहीं है, बुशरा नहीं है, धनेंद्र नहीं है, दिव्यांग मिश्रा इज नॉट देयर, दिव्यांगा वर्मा इज नॉट देयर, दिव्यांश जैन इज देयर, दिया गंगवार नॉट देयर, फातिमा नॉट देयर, देन ईशान जौहरी नॉट देयर, जसकीरत नॉट देयर, कार्तिक गंगवार नॉट देयर, लवेश माधव पॉल, मुस्तबाउल्ला खान, प्राची गंगवार,
Ma'am,
कार्तिक
Ma'am,
is
Prachi Gangwa present.
okay, Prachi Gangwar present, Karthik present, Prachi Sharma not there, Pradyumsh is present, Pranjal is not there.
Pradyumsh present.
Yes, Pradyumsh is present. Then Priyanshi is not there. Priyansh Agarwal is there.
Present, ma'am.
Very good. Purvanshi not there. Rakshit Solanki.
present, ma'am.
Very good. Rohan Rastogi, Rishabh. Why Rohan? Rohan is not attending any of the classes?
अरे मैम आज तक
हाँ?
मैम आज तक नहीं करी.
आज तक नहीं करी, वही पता नहीं क्या चक्कर है इनका. Samriddhi is not there. Sanidhya is there. Shaurya Saxena not there. Shifa not there. Shreya Shivankar is there. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Shreya is there. Varis, Yuvraj and Yuvraj Singhal. Yuvraj is there in the class?
Ma'am, he is sleeping.
Who?
Yuvraj.
Kushagra Singh has joined. See, Vanshika has joined. Then Yashraj Gill has joined. Kushagra Singh has joined. Fine. चलिए. So, 8th B. Can we have the cameras on, children? Huh? Can we have the cameras on? Yes, very good. What about others? Okay. So 8th B, we are doing exercises. With 8th B exercises we will do. So the first exercise, chapter 9. Sanidhya, are you there?
Ma'am, I had completed.
You had completed
Yes,
first.
ma'am. I am.
Okay, first exercise was
Yes, ma'am.
completed by Priyansh. Okay.
Ma'am, A, B, and C and D has been done by me.
Okay. So question answers E we have to do 10 to 20 words, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll do that.
No, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, we need to do exercises from ma'am A, B, C, D, E. Ma'am, I had done A, B, C, D. Ma'am, you will.
E we have to do. E we have to do, right?
Done yourself.
Huh?
No, ma'am. He means he has done by himself
On his
only.
own. On his own, you have done. Asha, okay,
Yes.
on your own, Pradyumsh, you have done. We need to discuss it in the class right now. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So A was done by Priyansh, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
What about B?
Ma'am, done B, A, B, C, D, and E.
Okay. Priyansh, you are in A section or B section?
Ma'am,
B section.
Ma'am, B section I had done for my own.
Acha, fine. So discussion part is to be done from which exercise, that I really need to know.
Ma'am, from A.
From A, right. So let Pradyunsh tell the answers for A exercise. Pradyunsh, read on the statement and then you tell the answer. Okay? Very good.
Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First, Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the dash A Brahmo Samaj.
Very
Second, the Kanya Gurukul was founded by dash C Dayanand Saraswati. Third, the British did not interfere in the Indian society and culture before B 1830.
Wait, Pradyunsh.
Fourth,
Wait.
yes, ma'am.
It is the Kanya Gurukuls were founded by, okay? Kanya Gurukuls. Okay?
Kanya Gurukuls.
And next was where you where you read it wrong was interfere. ठीक है? Interfere है. It is interfere.
Interfere in the Indian society and culture before dash B 1813. Fourth, in 1856 dash supervised the marriage of upper caste widow C Vidyasagar. Fifth, dash established the Shraddha Sadan D
Sharda.
Pandita Ramabai.
It is Sharda Sadan. Okay?
Shardha Sadan. Okay, ma'am.
Sharda Sadan. Very good. B, fill in the blanks. Sanidhya. Have you done? Thank you, Pradyunsh. Very
Ma'am,
good.
only one.
Okay. No problems. I'll tell.
Dash opened his first girls' school in 1874. Ma'am, Veera Sangalam.
Veer Salingam. Veera Salingam opened his first girls' school in 1874. Very good. Second one.
The Aligarh movement was led by the Muslim reformer Sayyid Ahmad Khan.
Very good. Third one.
The practice of marrying more than one woman is known as polygamy.
Very good. Fourth one.
Ma'am, fourth one I don't know, fifth one I know.
Okay, fourth one you don't know. Priyansh, do you know the fourth one?
Ma'am, I am not accurate about that, but I had written humanism.
Beta, it is correct. Humanism is correct. Right, Pradyunsh?
Ma'am, humanism or humanity?
No, humanism. Social reformers rejected blind faith and upheld the ideals of humanism. Right? Very good. Now, fifth one.
Sati was banned by the British government in the year 1829.
Very good. Very good. Fine. Now match the columns. Can we have Daksh? Wait, Prachi. Can we have Daksh doing it? Daksh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Can you do the match the column for them? Can you tell the answers?
Ma'am, No,
No?
ma'am.
Okay, chalo, let it be. Siddhi, are you there? Can you do it?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
First, Widow Remarriage Act. Ma'am, its answer will be Vishnu Shastri Pandit.
Haan.
Second,
Widow
Arya
Remarriage
Samaj.
Society. Wait, Widow Remarriage Society was established by Vishnu Shastri Pandit, right? All have marked?
Yes,
Very,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
very good.
Yes.
Second one. Arya Samaj.
Arya Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati.
Arya Samaj was established by Dayanand Saraswati. Very good. Third one.
The Aligarh Movement. Sir Sayyid Ahmed Khan.
The Aligarh movement was initiated by Syed Ahmad Khan. Very good. Next.
Sharda Sadan Ramabai.
Sharda Sadan was established by Pandita Ramabai. Very good.
And Ramakrishna Mission Vivekanand.
Ramakrishna Mission was taken forward by Swami Vivekanand. Very good, Siddhi. Thank you so much, Pita. Tanishka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
चल रही है जी बात 23 अच्छा fine. Tanishka, can you read out the first true false statement?
Ma'am, actually, I have not done true false only.
Acha, you have not done, no issues. Rakshit, have you done?
No, ma'am.
Divyansh Jain?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Priyansh, you can try. First one.
State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Ma'am, first, women received equal status and respect in colonial India. False.
Yes. इसको करेक्ट कैसे करेंगे? How will you rectify the statement? It is false, no?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, they received
can I
equal
try?
status. British India. Ma'am, after the British rule in India.
इन कलर बेटा वो ये कह रहा है कि जब ब्रिटिश रूल का कॉलोनियल इंडिया का मतलब हो गया कि भाई जब ब्रिटिश हमको रूल कर रहा था उस समय कह रहा है ब्रिटिश रूल के दौरान इंडिया में जो विमेन का स्टेटस था दैट वाज ऑफ इक्वालिटी एंड ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट वाज गिवन टू दी विमेन इन दी सोसाइटी. तो इज इट करेक्ट और नॉट?
No,
It is
ma'am.
false.
हाँ, it is false.
Ma'am,
हाँ. In colonial India, women never received equal status and respect. ठीक है? This will be the correct statement. Right?
okay, ma'am.
Fine. Then second one.
Malabari's efforts were driven towards fighting the custom of child marriage. True.
It is true. It was Malabari who took initiative to do away the child marriage practice in the society. Very good.
Vidyasagar carried on the
हाँ.
legacy of Ram Mohan Roy by taking up the leadership of Brahmo Samaj after his death. False.
I knew. हाँ, it is false. What will be the correct answer? दोबारा आओ. What will be the correct answer? अभी पापा का रोल नहीं बना.
Ma'am, the correct statement will be, ma'am, the correct statement will be Keshav Chandra Sen carried on the legacy of Ram Mohan Rai by taking up the leadership of Brahmo Samaj after his death.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next.
social
ma'am.
reformers rejected blind faith and superstitions. True.
Huh. Social reformers rejected blind faith and superstitions. True. Very good.
Ma'am, last, Dayanand Saraswati believed that in earlier times, women held positions of respect in Indian society. True.
ठीक है. Dayanand Saraswati believed that in earlier times, women held positions of respect in Indian society. Very good. It is correct. All the true false done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who could not do it? Huh? All have done? It all have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Chaliye. Now coming to the next question. Answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Who will tell?
Ma'am, I.
हाँ सानिध्य बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, first question is, a few social practices prevailing in 19th century India.
Hmm.
The answer is, there were such practices as sati, infanticide, purdha system, devdasi system,
Pardha.
polygamy,
हाँ
pardha
पardha
system,
हाँ.
devdasi system,
Hmm.
polygamy, child marriage,
Hmm.
illiteracy.
Hmm.
Women had to follow the custom of the husband's household.
ठीक है. Very good. Very good. This will be your first answer. Thank you, Sanidhya. Next.
And ma'am, who established the Brahmo Samaj?
हाँ.
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
हाँ, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established the Brahmo Samaj. When was the Widow Remarriage Act passed?
Ma'am, the Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856.
हाँ, very good, very good.
Write the name of two women reformers in India. Ma'am, Pandita Ramabai and Ma'am Sarojini
Ma'am,
Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu.
Very good, very good. I hope 8th A is also marking these answers if we have not done with them.
Yes,
Fine. Kumar, we have done these answers or not?
ma'am, we have done.
Okay, fine. So if anybody had missed the class, could not mark, they can mark these answers, right?
Ma'am, what is the answer of first?
Okay. First answer is given on page number 50. Sorry, it is given on page number 63. Condition of women. The question is asking, name a few social practices prevailing in the 19th century in India. Few social practices prevailing in 19th century India were sati, infanticide, pardha system, devdasi system, polygamy, child marriage, and illiteracy. And women had to follow the customs of the husband's household. Right? Aditya marked? Aditya, have you marked?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, next is, which social reformer fought against the Devdasi system? Ma'am, answer is Muthu Lakshmi Reddy.
Tell again.
Ma'am, Muthu Lakshmi Reddy.
Ma'am, there is also R. Venkat Ratnam Naidu.
हाँ, R. Venkata Ratnam Naidu fought against the Devdasi system.
Ma'am, book में खाली एक ही लिखना है.
Book में कहाँ लिखा
Page
है?
number 65. मैम पेज नंबर 65 साउथ इंडिया।
साउथ इंडिया में तो लिखा ही है, उसके अलावा आप कहाँ से बता रहे हो सानिध्या?
मैम ब्रेनली है।
यू नीड टू गो विद द बुक, नो बुक में आपका नाम दिया हुआ है प्रॉपरली, इसमें दिया हुआ है साउथ इंडिया में आर वेंकटा रत्नम नायडू fought against the Devdasi system, right? Page 65. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I think all short answers discussed. Coming to F, 50 to 70 words. Parth, can you tell the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
that page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
63.
Yes, ma'am.
Haan, it is on page number 63.
63.
Yes, Parth, tell the answer.
Yes,
Tell the
ma'am.
answer in points properly. We did.
Page number 63, second paragraph, condition of women. First point, the position of women in the society was deplorable due to the prevalence of practice. Then second point, the practice such as sati, infanticides, parda, devdasi system, polygamy, child marriage, and illiteracy. Then third point, women had to follow the custom of the husband households. Ma'am, these are the third points. 3 points.
Ma'am, in this book, one thing is not specified very clearly. Ma'am, the meaning of infanticide is written, and ma'am, the girl is not specified in this.
हाँ तो कोई नहीं, हमें तो पता है ना ये बात, हम लिख देते हैं किलिंग ऑफ, वैसे तो इन्फेंटिसाइड का इन्होंने अगर गर्ल अगर आगे स्पेसिफाई करा होता तो हम गर्ल इन्फेंटिसाइड को एक्सप्लेन करते, बट दे हैव ओनली गिवन इन्फेंटिसाइड। तो इन्फेंटिसाइड का मतलब होता है कि हाँ इन्फेंट्स एट द बर्थ जो है इमीडिएटली जिनको मार दिया जाता है, दैट इज इन्फेंटिसाइड, राइट?
मैम हम भी यही
हैड इट बीन, हाँ आप यही लिख दो, आप यही लिख दो, नो इश्यूज। और इफ यू वांट टू स्पेसिफाई अबाउट द गर्ल इन्फेंटिसाइड यू कैन राइट दैट एज वेल, कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है? हाँ, वेरी गुड। नाउ नेक्स्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन। Pradyush, read the question.
Name 3 reformers who spearheaded the women's reform movement in Maharashtra. Ma'am, in Maharashtra, the 3 reformers are Brahmaji Malbari, D.K. Karve, Jyotibai Phule. Brahmaji Malbari captured the attention of English reading public with his articles in Times and fought against the evils of child marriage. D.K. Karve offered a practical solution with his institution in Pune to educate young widows to become teacher in girls' school.
Okay.
Jyotibai Phule started a girls' school at Pune. He also actively campaigned for remarriage of widows.
Fine. We can go with this. Very good. The question says, name 3 reformers who spearheaded the women's reform movement in Maharashtra. So you will write the 3 reformers who spearheaded the women's reform movement in Maharashtra were, first, you will write about Behramji Malabari, who captured the attention of the English by writing about the evils of child marriage and the tragedy of forced widowhood for young women. I hope you will write this way only, right? Okay, very good. Then second, you will write D.K. Karve, who offered a practical solution by forming institutions to educate young widows to become teachers. That's it. Okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then we will write about third one. We will write Jyotiba Phule. He actively campaigned for the remarriage of widows. ठीक है?
Yes.
right? Very good. Do I need to repeat this answer?
No, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, may I tell the next one?
Yes, read the question and tell.
What was the state of education for women in the 19th century? Ma'am, in 19th century, the women education was not given much value. Ma'am, women were expected to learn music, singing, dancing, and cooking, etc. to keep satisfy their household chores and to keep their husband and children happy.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, you can try. Sanidhya, which page number you had read from? Can you tell? Yes, Kumar Parth, you can try.
Yes, ma'am. What was the state of education for women in the 19th century? Ma'am, in this, ma'am, there can be, ma'am, four part.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very.
ma'am, in Maharashtra, in North India, in South India, and ma'am, the 65 page number, last paragraph, women reformers. Ma'am, in these four paragraph, ma'am, we have to find, ma'am, some points. Ma'am, first is Maharashtra, Jyotiba Phule and his wife started a girls' school at Pune. Well, first, it can be in Maharashtra. Then in North India, Swami Vivekanand carried the work of women reform further. He encouraged female education, established Kanya Gurukuls for the education of women. In that only, there are 2 points for the Swami Vivekanand and other for Muslim citizens. Among the Muslim, Khwaja Altaf Hussain Hali and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah introduced education for girls. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan did work for the education and emancipation of Muslim women.
Very
Then
good.
in South India, Versalingam opened his first
Veerasalingam.
girls' school.
Huh.
Versalingam opened his first girls' school in 1874 and in 1878 organized a society for social reformers. Then women reformers, ma'am, last paragraph. Here will be, ma'am,
Beta,
Ramabai began her.
wait. Do we have any Angel Singh in the class?
No, ma'am.
Somebody is taking entry with the name of Angel Singh. कोई है क्या? देखो आप याद करो, आप लोगों की क्लास में कोई आते हो ऐसे?
No, ma'am.
तो I will not take in. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. I have taken the child in. Let me ask who he or she is.
Ma'am, I am Sanidhya.
Beta, who is this Angel? Angel Singh, can you hear me? Beta, if you will not tell who are you, I will remove you from the meeting because I have no name, such name in the class that I have. चलिए, हाँ जी, पार्थ,
Yes, ma'am.
continue with your answer, beta.
Last paragraph, women reformers. Third paragraph, Ramabai began her social work with Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune. Later, she established the Sharda Southern a school for Indian widows in Bombay. Ma'am, till here. For this.
Very good. I hope to everyone this answer is clear and understood.
Ma'am, can you repeat the third one?
Okay. Parth, repeat the third one.
Yes, ma'am. Page number 65, first paragraph. Then Jyotiba Phule and his wife started a girls' school at Pune. First line in Maharashtra, then second part North India. In North India, Swami Dayanand, the founder of the Arya Samaj, sorry ma'am, in North India, Swami Vivekanand carried the work of women reformers further. He encouraged female education, established Kanya Gurukuls for the education of women. Then third paragraph of that part, among the Muslim, Khwaja Altaf Hussain Heli and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah introduced education for girls. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan worked for the education and the emancipation